Hello, folks. Lee here, your AI stock shepherd, ready to guide you through the wild terrain of the stock market. Buckle up, as we dive into 5 blazing stocks that could set your portfolio on fire. Let's herd them up. Alright, ready to go stock spelunking? First, let's delve into the digital depths with Fortinet. This cyber SEC giant stock, labeled FTNT in the tech-laden caves of Nasdaq, is soaring like a tech-savvy bat. This company isn't just dipping its toes in the profit pool, it's doing cannonballs with a whopping 79% increase in EPS last quarter. We also see a beautiful annual earnings growth of 32%. If that doesn't scream potential, I don't know what does. And how about that ROE? A stunning 384.6%. It's not just a number, folks, it's an anthem of efficient shareholder fund usage with a current price of $71.59 and a solid market cap of $56.2 billion. Fortinet seems to be on everyone's wish list, especially the institutional investors. It's like the hot item at a tech toy store. All this points to a bright future, assuming they keep playing their cards right. So, folks, will you join the game? Ever dreamed of striking oil? Well, no need to get your boots dirty, because our next stop is Northern Oil and Gas. This energy maverick, NOG on the NYSE, is pumping profits like a high-pressure oil gusher that we're looking at an average EPS growth of 53.5% over the last 3 quarters. Talk about turning the drill bit in the right direction. And, despite a slip on the oily sales slope last quarter, they've managed to keep a 3-year sales growth rate at an impressive 51%. This black gold bonanza also boasts a gushing ROE of 117.8%. But hold on to your hard hats, folks, because they've also struck a debt-equity ratio of 205%. It's a number worth keeping an eye on, but they've shown they can handle the pressure. At a price of $32.07 and a market cap of $2.7 billion, Northern Oil and Gas might just be the next oil strike on your investment frontier. So, ready to join the oil rush? Now, let's leave the oil fields and head downtown to the bustling world of banking. Presenting our next big player, JP Morgan Chase & Company. This titan of finance, trading as JP Morgan on NYSE, is like the Gordon Gekko of our time, minus the Wall Street villainy. Now, here's a number that will make your eyes pop like the ticker tape on Wall Street, a 37% increase in EPS last quarter. And, they've also cashed in on a 25% sales growth during the same period. Even their pre-tax margin is sitting pretty at 30.2%, much like the Wall Street bull during a rally. The debt-equity ratio? 101%. A bit on the high side, but manageable for a big gun like JP Morgan, currently priced at $138.85 and boasting a market cap of a whopping $405.8 billion. JP Morgan Chase & Co. is like that secure, blue-chip bond in your portfolio. Are you ready to bank on JP Morgan? Time for a checkup on the healthcare sector with West Pharmaceutical Services Incorporated WST on the NYSE. This health hero is more reliable than a well-scheduled doctor's appointment. Over the past 3 years, they've taken the scalpel to their EPS, carving out an impressive growth rate of 39%. And they've also injected some life into their sales with a 3-year growth rate of 18%, prescribing us a healthy dose of profitability. Their pre-tax margin is a robust 25.6%. The company's ROE? Also strong at 25.9%, demonstrating that they're putting shareholders' money to work as efficiently as a surgeon's hands. With a vital signs check of a current price of $367 and a robust market cap of $27.2 billion, West Pharma is set to make some hearts beat faster in the market. So, folks, are you ready to inject some WST into your portfolio? And finally, for our last stock of the day, let's visit the welcoming world of Ensign Group Incorporated, trading as ENSG on Nasdaq. This is a stock that makes you feel at home. Our hospitable host has served up a 14% EPS growth in the last quarter. Now that's a hearty meal for any investor. And if that wasn't enough, it's also dished out a 24% sales growth during the same period. This company keeps its house in order with a tidy pre-tax margin of 10.4% and a respectable ROE of 20.8%. As for debt, a manageable ratio of 12% shows they don't like too many IOUs. With a market cap of $5.1 billion and a current price of $90.91, Ensign Group Inc. could be the comfortable place you've been looking for in your portfolio. So, are you ready to be hosted by ENSG? If you found this video helpful, why not share it with a friend who might be interested in taking this ride? And of course, don't forget to hit the like button. And now, before we wrap up, I've got a hot stock market tip for you, something I like to call the 10-20-10 strategy. It's like the recipe for a balanced investment diet. Here's how it works. First, invest no more than 10% of your equity in any single stock. It's like going to a buffet. You don't want to fill your plate with just one dish, no matter how tasty. Next, set your profit target at plus 20%. When you hit that number, sell and take your profits. Don't be like a dog waiting for a steak to fall off the grill. Grab it while it's hot. Finally, set your stop loss at minus 10%. If a stock hits that mark, sell. Don't hold on, hoping it will bounce back. It's like hanging on to a rotten apple. it's not going to become fresh again. Remember, friends, even in the wildest stock market rodeo, you need a strategy to stay in the saddle. So, ready to try the 10-20-10? And if you've got any questions or stock picks you'd like me to cover in the next video, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, keep investing, stay safe, and let's make some money together. Well folks, we've taken a roller coaster ride through the stock market today, visiting everything from tech titans to healthcare heroes. Remember our motley crew: Fortinet, Northern Oil and Gas, JP Morgan Chase & Co., West Pharma, and Ensign Group Inc., all sizzling stocks in their own right, and don't forget our trusty trail guide, the 10-20-10 strategy. Like a compass in the chaotic stock market wilderness, it can help you stay on track, but, as we all know, the market can be as unpredictable as a cat on a hot tin roof. So, keep your eyes peeled, ears to the ground, and continue doing your research. Remember, folks, stock trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So, keep your pace, stay hydrated with information, and you're bound to reach your financial finish line. This is Lee, your AI stock shepherd, signing off. Stay tuned for more market merriment next week.